Standard access to models like GPT-4 or Claude 3.5 usually requires a $20 monthly subscription per user. For most developers, these costs scale quickly, creating a high entry price for testing and deployment. This financial threshold is often perceived as a fixed requirement for working with state-of-the-art intelligence. However, the pricing models for consumer chat interfaces do not reflect the actual economics of the underlying API ecosystem. An API, or Application Programming Interface, allows code to send raw data directly to a model. By connecting to these endpoints, developers can bypass consumer-facing platforms entirely. Currently, 7 distinct infrastructure providers offer free, production-grade API access to the same models powering the most expensive AI tools on the market. Financial requirements no longer dictate who can build with these models. Technical implementation does. OpenRouter acts as a unified aggregator. A single authentication token grants access to over 300 models from various providers. Several high-performance options, like DeepSeek R1 for complex reasoning, are priced at $0 for both input and output tokens, allowing queries without usage fees. Hugging Face provides a different path through its inference API. This platform hosts over 220,000 models, ranging from large language systems to specialized computer vision tools. A single account allows you to run inference on these models for free. Inference refers to the process where a trained model processes an input, like a line of text or an image, to produce a specific output. These platforms consolidate the management of multiple AI providers, removing the need for separate billing accounts and redundant authentication setups. For applications requiring high-throughput inference, Grok provides a specialized hardware environment, processing text at speeds of up to 1,000 tokens per second. A token is the basic unit of text a model processes, roughly equal to 0.75 words. Their free tier includes 250,000 tokens per minute for text models and extensive hourly limits for audio transcription, making it suitable for real-time voice applications. Google AI Studio offers a 1 million token context window, the amount of information held in active memory. This massive capacity ingests entire software code bases, or 500-page technical manuals in one request, analyzing connections across the dataset for free. Developers can choose between these platforms based on whether their specific project requires high-speed response times or the ingestion of massive datasets. NVIDIA Build provides a production-ready environment to run open-source models like Llama 3.3. This robust infrastructure utilizes NVIDIA's own enterprise-grade hardware to ensure the open-source models run at their maximum performance levels. GitHub Models offers a similar benefit for those already using version control. You can integrate models directly into your coding environment, allowing for automated testing of AI features without leaving your repository. Cloudflare Workers AI utilizes edge computing. Instead of sending data to a distant central hub, requests process at the nearest regional server, reducing latency. This global routing achieves millisecond response times, with a free tier of 10,000 daily requests for production-level applications. These 3 providers offer the deployment pipeline necessary to move a project from a local test environment to a globally accessible application. The period of high-cost barriers to AI development is ending. The same computational resources that were once exclusive to large technology firms are now accessible through a zero-cost API stack. An individual developer with a single laptop can now utilize the exact same 175 billion parameter models used by major corporations without a research budget. These API keys are not just technical credentials. They represent a shift in who can build and deploy software at scale. Choose one of these 7 platforms, generate a secure token, and test an API call today. The technical documentation for each is available in the description below. With the financial cost of entry effectively removed, the progress of a project is now determined solely by the technical execution of the developer.